Hey guys, my name is Josh, also known as Yoshi Bear J. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to target people that saved products from your Instagram shop. This is a very valuable audience to target because people that save products or save images from your Instagram shop may not have been ready to buy at that moment, but they may want to buy it later down the line. So by targeting them, it's a way to remind them, to let them know that it's back in stock or that you have an offer going on or something like that to get them to buy it. So I'm going to show you guys how to target people that have saved a product in your Instagram shop. We're not going to waste no time here. We're going to get into the video. Let's go. As we know, people buy on the website as well as Instagram shop. But some people may not be ready to buy though. Some people may save the product on Instagram shop before actually buying it. They could be saving it because they don't have the money right now, or they're saving it for when they get paid at work. Whatever the reason may be, people tend to save products that they see on Instagram shop, right? It's a very common behavior, right? And in this video, I'll show you how to target those people that have saved it. The reason why you want to target those people is because you may want to remind them, how many products and images have we saved over time? You know, I would say, how many products and images have we saved in the past what? In the past year, right? So by targeting people, we're reminding them, we're saying, hey, you still interested in this product? Hey, we've got an offer on this product, etc., etc. Right? So I'm going to show you how to do it. So guys, all you got to do, as you can see here, this is the ads manager right now. And then you just click create right here. Then you select sales and then continue. Now we are in the campaign level. I'll turn this on just for the sake of the video. So $20. And then once you've selected your budget, you can do CBO or ABO. It's totally up to you. For those of you that don't know, CBO is campaign budget optimization, which is this. And ABO is ad set budget optimization, which is where you choose the budget at the ad set level, right? So but for the sake of the video, I'll leave it as a CBO and leave it at $20 a day. Once we've selected our budget, then we just click next. Now we are at the ad set level. Here, you choose your website, the app, website and app, wherever you want people to convert, right? Then here, you select your pixel. Once you've selected your pixel, you want to choose the conversion event. You want to choose that as purchase. Then you want to come down to here in custom audiences. This part is very, very important. So now that we're here, we've now made a draft of the campaign. We are here now, right? So this is how to target people who have saved your products on Instagram shop. So what you want to do, guys, you want to go here. So click here, all tools. Then you're going to be given these options. Then click audiences. Then it's going to ask for you to create an audience, then custom audience. Then you want to come down to shopping, select that, then click next. When you get here, when you click next, you'll land here. And right here where it says platform, you want to select Instagram, not Facebook page, Instagram. Then right here, you want to select your actual Instagram page. Then right here, you come down to events. And then click down here. And then you want to select people who saved products. As you can see, it says includes people who saved a product from your shop on Facebook or Instagram. This is the option you want to choose. And then your retention, 180 days. And then let's name this audience IG shop savers. Naming this audience is important. You're going to see why it's important, guys. IG shop savers. Then once you've done that, you just click this create audience button right here, right? But because it's grayed out right now, because I'm yet to select a page, so I'm going to select a page, and then I'm going to click the create audience right here. And then the audience that I've made out of IG shop savers is right here. It's always going to be here. Any custom audience that you create is always going to live here, right? But you can pull from this list when we get to that ad set level, and I'll show you guys that. So can you see here? This is the list that we've just created right now. So inside of this custom audience, there's people who have saved products from our IG shop in the past 180 days. There's a very valuable audience to target. One, because of the fact that this audience is in platform, is within the platform, within the Facebook IG platform. So it's not relying on an external website. So that means that the quality of the data is going to be a lot better. Obviously, due to iOS 14.15, when you send them, when you get in data externally, the quality is going to be missing some data due to iOS 14.15. Not everyone wants to be tracked, and that's fair, right? But because we're getting the data on the platform, it's fully trackable, and it's a better quality of data and higher match rates. So now we've got this audience right here. Now I'm going to go back to that ad set level that we were doing earlier. So now I'm back at this campaign that we were making earlier. And in order to pull the custom audience that you've just got from the audience tab, it's going to pull in here, and I'll show you. So you want to come here to custom audiences. Click in here, and we named it IG shop savers. Can you see here? IG shop savers. That's the exact audience that we just created just now. It's right here. Yeah. And now you can target them with Facebook ads and IG ads and Instagram ads. Look, so there's the audience right here. They're in here. Location. If you're doing any type of custom targeting in terms of your audience, I tend to leave this open. Because again, you don't know what country people were saving your products from in your IG shop. You don't know. Why limit yourself to just one country? Or we could target, leave it open and let the algorithm show what ads to people and give it more freedom. Yeah. You want to do the same with the age. You want to leave that open. You want to do the same with the gender. You want to leave this detail targeting blank. You don't want to write anything in here. You only want to target this. And that's how you target people who have saved any of your products from your Instagram shop. You just go through here. You can choose your placements, etc. And then when you click next, you're now at the ad level where you put your images and videos, and here is where you can put your images and videos. And these are the creative assets that people that are in that audience that we've just created of IG shop savers, they are going to see your images and videos. And that's how you target people who save your images, your products on Instagram shop. As usual, guys, I'll be coming back with more tips and tricks to help you guys in your online marketing. So guys, take care of yourself. See you later.